what do I think about this paper? So this is from Brett Creations. It's an alcohol ink art paper, very slippery type of paper. I am going to give you a demonstration, let you see what I did with it, and then I will come back at the end and tell you what I thought. All right, so now you've seen what I could do with it, and as you can tell, I enjoy it. I do like it a lot. I'd compare it to kind of like a Yupo paper. It's very slippery, very easy to work with alcohol ink and with different types of paint products. So I would definitely recommend this. It's not super expensive, which is great. It does come with quite a few sheets in here. It comes with 25 sheets in the pad. 8.5 by 11. I'm going to leave my links down below where you can get it from Amazon. It's my affiliate links. It doesn't cost you any more. It just gives me a little slight commission for advertising for them. So I would appreciate it. But I would definitely recommend this paper. I do like it. I've used it quite often in some of my demos that I've done for my little shorts and for Instagram and things like that. I like to chop it into 4 and then I'll do a quick little painting with it. So highly recommend. Thank you.